Dear students, welcome to the another lesson. Hope this lesson will be helpful for you. In today's lesson, we will learn about monocotyledons family, specifically Poaceae family. This family has about 500 genera and 8,000 species. This family is very large. It also called grass family. We know some common features of monocotyledons plants, such as their seeds have one cotyledon, root is adventitious fibrous root, venation of the leaves are parallel, flowers are trimerous, and so on. But these features are common to all monocotyledons plants. In addition, monocotyledons plants are divided into several families based on their identifying characteristics. Poaceae is one of them. Earlier, it was called Gramineae. Before we get to know about Poaceae family, we will know the names of some important plants belonging to this family. Then it will be easy for us to know and understand about this family. We all know these plants: paddy, wheat, sugarcane, bambusa. These are the most well-known plants of this family. At the end of the video, their scientific names will be given. This time we will learn about the identifying features of the family Poaceae. In this case, identifying features are that kind of features which can be used to separate this family. First, we will see what the plants of this family look like. For that, take a look at the first picture. Here is stem cylindrical and internodes are hollow. Leaf ligulate. It means thin outgrowth at the junction of leaf and leaf stalk. In this case, take a look at the second picture. Then we will take a look at flower. We know that flowers can form single or can be located in inflorescence. In Poaceae family, flowers grow on the inflorescence. This inflorescence is called spikelet. This is the type of racemose inflorescence. To understand this, we will look at rice flower. Many of you may have never seen rice flower, right? We will now learn about the parts that make up the inflorescence of rice. First, we try to understand from the picture. The white parts that are seen in the first picture are the stamens, and the parts like the black feather is the stigma. Let's look at the second picture. The number of stamens here is 6. Anther is versatile. That means wherever the wind comes from, anther faces accordingly. The stigma of gynoecium is like a feather. The ovary has one chamber. Here I will talk about some more features. There is a small view under the ovary and stamens. It's not known as calyx or petal, so it can be compared to perianth. Its name is lodicule. Then we see a large spot called pallia. Two narrow parts can be seen at the bottom. They are called glume 1 and glume 2. These two are empty glume, that means no flowers grow from them. Ovary one chambered. Placentation is basal. Fruit is caryopsis, that means dry one-seeded fruit in which the ovary wall is united with the seed coat, typical of grasses and cereals. Now I will try to show it accordingly to the position of different parts of the flower. The spikelet has two glumes at the base, glume 1 and glume 2. Actually, they are called empty glume. It has two more glumes on it. The first one is lemma and second one is pallia. Lemma can be compared to bract and pallia can be compared to bracteole. In fact, pallia is located opposite the lemma. The largest part of the paddy cover that is seen is called lemma and a small part is called pallia. The two small parts are called lodicule, which are considered as perianth. 6 stamens are located in 2 cycles. Here, anther is versatile. The gynoecium is quite small, stigma feathery. Now we will learn how to draw floral diagram. The ovary is first from the center, then the 6 stamens stand in 2 cycles. To lodicule, relatively small pallia and lemma is on the opposite side. Mother axis is at the top. Floral formula. With the help of that formula, we will see the different features of the flower. First of all, BR dot, or you can write it capital B. That means bract or lemma present. BRL dot, you can write it small b. That means bracteole or pallia present. Flower is zygomorphic, that means the flower is capable of division into symmetrical halves by only one longitudinal plane passing through the axis. Flower is bisexual, perianth or lodicule number 2. Stamens number 6, free and they stand in 2 cycles, ovary superior and carpel number 1. Now we will learn about some of the economically important plants of Poaceae family and their importance. Rice, Oryza sativa. It's the staple food grain all over the world. Straw is a good fodder. Rice bran oil is extracted from the rice bran and used as cooking oil and poultry feed. Wheat, Triticum aestivum. Wheat is the second staple food on earth. Bread, paratha, biscuit, loaves, cakes, etc. are prepared from wheat flour. Maize, Gia maize. Maize seeds are used in preparation of flour, puffed corn, cornflakes, etc. It's also used in preparation of poultry feed. Sugarcane, Saccharum officinarum. Juice of sugarcane used in preparing molasses, sugar, etc. Alcohol, acetone, acetic acid, vinegar, etc. are prepared from molasses. Bamboo, Bambusa bamboos. Bamboo is used in making houses and as a raw material of paper. Barley, Hordeum vulgate. Its flour is delicious and easy for making food. Dubgrass, Cynoton tectilon. It's a good cow feed leaf used in blood clotting and healing of wounds. Phragmites carca, used for making robes of heart. That's all about the Poaceae family.